Hey, this is Dustin Sanchez, DustinSanchezTV.com, coming to you live from really from my kitchen, although I got this black screen set up in front of me, so you can't really see what's going on. Anyways, I got my pre-workout here because I'm just about to head to the gym, but before I go, I wanted to drop this video about personal injury lawyer marketing and basically how I helped a personal injury lawyer in a major city in the US get 100 plus phone calls this month. Okay, I see I have one viewer. Drop me a comment, drop me a thumbs up, something. Thank you, Delandria. Just wanted to make sure everyone could hear me. Okay, what you're looking at right now is an image of my client's Google My Business. Okay, and if you follow this green arrow, you can see 100 phone calls. What that means is, thanks, Delandria. Glad you could hear me. Glad you could join me. 100 phone calls right there. That means that whenever someone went, I'm not going to tell you what city this is in, but let's just imagine that it's in Detroit, okay? Hey, Tommy Holmes, good to see you, brother. Glad you can hear me. Let's just imagine this is in Detroit. When someone picks up their cell phone and they say, hey, Siri, find Detroit personal injury lawyer. Siri gives them a maps listing, okay, and they can click on a phone icon inside of the maps listing. That's what this number is. It's the people who did a mobile search and they clicked on their phone icon and they called this attorney. This 100 phone calls number does not count for people who just went to the attorney's office and dialed his number there. People who just went to the attorney's website on their desktop or on their cell phone and called from there. This is just 100 people who found him in Google Maps, okay? So in the last 30 days, you can see I have 1 month circled. In the last 30 days, 160 people visited the website from Google Maps, 30 people requested directions from Google Maps, 100 people called from Google Maps, and 2 people chatted from Google Maps. I don't even know if a lot of you know that you can chat inside of Google Maps. Let me grab some more pre-workout here. Just trying to get ready for I have a huge squat session scheduled today and I'm trying to get ready for it. Anyways, let's go to the next picture. You can see those are the results I wanted to start this video out with. I know about a week ago I posted about an employment lawyer who I got 100 phone calls for in the last quarter, right? Well, now we're not playing around because this is 100 phone calls in the last 30 days, okay? Let's go to the next slide. Okay, this is my client's Google Analytics, okay? Google Analytics is going to show all traffic, not just organic search traffic, but it's going to show all traffic. This is all traffic from the last 30 days. You can see they've had 2,635 visits to their website in the last 30 days. Those are impressive numbers. What you can't see here, I just didn't box it, but number 6 there is their pay-per-click, okay? All of this traffic, 29 visits come from pay-per-click. So people ask me a lot, what's better, search engine optimization or pay-per-click? I'm gonna tell you all the time, it's better to be on page 1 of Google, okay? Pay-per-click for this attorney, for what they're spending on my services compared to what they're spending on their pay-per-click service, I'm giving them over 2,600 visits a month. Their pay-per-click is giving them 29 visits a month. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, this is Google Search Console. Now, the difference between what you're seeing in Google Analytics and what you are seeing in Google Search Console is that Search Console is only organic click and search traffic, whereas Analytics was showing all the traffic that I'm generating for these people. What you can see in the last 28 days, 1,887 total clicks from Google search traffic. Let's see what some of those are coming from. Okay, I can't show the exact keywords because then people are going to reverse engineer this client and then they're going to go spam my dang client. I don't know why, but that's what people do. So I had to just block out a bunch of stuff here so that you couldn't see what the exact keywords I was using. But what I want you to pay attention to is the brand search, okay? If somebody goes on to Google and they search Detroit personal injury lawyer, well, then that attorney is going to compete with 10 other lawyers on page 1. Whereas if somebody goes on to Google and they search Johnson Smith Law Group, well, that attorney is going to be the only attorney on page 1 for Johnson Smith Law Group. And that is why brand search is so darn important. You want to generate brand search as much as possible. And the way I do it is by just making you famous with Facebook ads. But you can see what I've done here. All the green arrows represent brand search. People searching for this specific law firm by name. Now you're gonna also see a lot of blue arrows, and that is people who search city plus lawyer, city plus law firm, city plus personal injury. Like, let's assume it's Detroit. It's not Detroit. Let's assume it's Detroit. They would be searching Detroit law firms, Detroit personal injury lawyer, Detroit car accident lawyer, okay? Now in red is accident injury specific search. People who just search personal injury lawyer, Detroit, car accident lawyer, Detroit, okay? I'm gonna go to the next slide here. You can see more brand search in green, more city search in blue, more injury lawyer specific search in red. You can make your screen bigger and see what those exact search terms are. I've blurred out a lot of them just to hide what I'm doing from people so I don't get reverse engineered. Now we're looking at the car accident only page, okay? Car accident only page in the last 28 days. That specific page has got 27 clicks through organic search, and people find him by searching car accident lawyer, city plus car accident law firm, city car accident attorney, okay? Basically, when this client came to me, they were paying somebody else an exorbitant fee for search engine optimization. I told him, look, man, I'm gonna have to charge you this much if I take you on as a client, so I don't know if you want to sign with me. He immediately said, what? Are you kidding? I'm paying double that right now. Let's go ahead and sign. So I took this person on as a client. I put them at the top of page one, and these are the kind of results you get when you're on page one for a personal injury lawyer in a big city, okay, in a big 4 city. Let's go to their, okay, this is the ads manager inside of Facebook, okay? I do 3 things. I really do 4 things for this client. I do their search engine optimization, I do their Facebook ads, I do their YouTube marketing, and I do their blogging, a continuous blogging service. All of that generates nearly 3,000 visits a month, but let's look specifically at their Facebook ads right here. This is inside of my Facebook ads manager. You can see I'm running 2 ads for this. People email me, they call me, they Facebook message me all the time, and they ask, do Facebook ads work for personal injury lawyers? Okay, if you were to go to your computer right now and Google personal injury lawyer Facebook ads, you would see my name, face, and website all over that search result because the industry recognizes me as the best Facebook ads person for personal injury lawyers. And this is it right here, okay? 1, I'm running a traffic generation ad. I want people who are interested in personal injury lawyer services to click this ad. Once they click this traffic generation ad, you can see that traffic generation ad has reached 21,060 people in the last 30 days. We're paying 62 cents per click on that ad, okay? The difference between Google pay-per-click and Facebook ads. In Google pay-per-click, in this particular city, in any big city, you're going to pay $100 per click, okay? That's Google pay-per-click. In Facebook, I am paying 62 cents per click, okay? That's why you don't have to get the targeting right. What I do is I run a traffic generation ad. I'm going to show you what that ad looks like. I run this traffic generation ad. Anyone that clicks it, they have told me, hey, I'm interested in personal injury lawyer services. Then I run a second ad, a retargeting ad. That ad goes to anyone who clicks that first traffic generation ad. We pixel them. Facebook builds a retargeting audience. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, this is the asset library inside of our Facebook advertising console. You can see site visits in the last 180 days, 6,100 people are in that retargeting ad. So what that means is, to 6,100 people in this city, we are the only lawyer in town, because every time they log onto the internet, whether that be Facebook, Instagram, or any website that partners with Facebook and Instagram, they see my attorney's face, okay, telling them, hey, we're still here. You clicked on our ad a few days ago. We're back in your face. Why haven't you called us? That's the power of Facebook marketing. You get several bites at the apple. You become famous. And that's why you see all that brand search a few slides ago, because everyone in this city recognizes this lawyer because this lawyer is in their face all the dang time, okay, with this retargeting ad. Let's look at the next slide. Okay, this is what the traffic generation ad looks like. You can make your screen bigger so you can see this. Basically, it's just a simple Facebook ad. It starts out like this: car accident injury lawyer. Attorney Smith discusses car accident injury cases in this major city. Click for more. They click on this ad, bam, we pixel them. Anyone that goes to the website, they're getting pixeled by Facebook, and then we're retargeting them. Whether they get there by this Facebook ad or by organic search traffic or by Google pay-per-click, they all get targeted, they all get pixeled by Facebook, and then we retarget all of those people. That's how I make you famous to the entire city. Okay, let's look at the retargeting ad. This is the retargeting ad right here. If you have been to this website in any way, you start to get retargeted, okay? You start to see this particular ad. It says, injury attorney serving Detroit. Call 555-555-5555 for a free consultation. Click to learn more. This is just a picture of the lawyer. This is a picture of the lawyer. Anybody that clicks this, well, now you're really going to get retargeted because we know you've come to the second level of our funnel. We know you're interested. We know you are warm traffic. You're going straight to our landing page, and your only option is to call us to start your case going. Okay, let's see what else I have here. Okay, Facebook is also, I have Google tracking all the traffic, but Facebook is also tracking all the traffic. I told you Facebook is pixeling them. Well, this is Facebook keeping a record of what URLs you have gone to in the last 30 days. If you guys can't see this and you want a closer look, go make a friend with me on LinkedIn, because I'm going to put all of these slides on my LinkedIn and you can look at them all day long. Anyways, you can see in the last 30 days, Facebook has tracked 1,200 people that have gone specifically to the home page. What I want you to look at is the car accident pages here. On this one, 288 people have been to that car accident page in the last 30 days. They kind of have a subcategory car accident lawyer page as well. 263 people have gone to that in the last 30 days. And the good news is, for the next 180 days, we're going to retarget the dookie out of all of those people. This attorney is going to be the only attorney in town, and that is how I'm able to generate 100 phone calls every month for this lawyer. I believe this is my last slide. Yeah, that was my last slide. In any case, I'm almost done with my pre-workout here. I'm about to go hit leg day. Do me a favor. You know some lawyers that need marketing. You need more phone calls to your law firm. Hit me up, DustinSanchezTV.com. I will see you later.